May 2024 brings a captivating night sky filled with planetary alignments, meteor showers, and educational opportunities. This video explores these phenomena, including alignments of Mars, Saturn, and Mercury throughout May, best viewed in early mornings. Occultation of the star Antares, mid-May, Eta Aquariid meteor shower, peak on May 5th, best viewed in the hours before dawn. We'll uncover how these events occur and what they reveal about our solar system, making this presentation suitable for both beginners and experienced skywatchers. As dawn paints the eastern sky throughout May 2024, a breathtaking celestial ballet unfolds. Three celestial bodies, Mars, Saturn, and Mercury, engage in a captivating alignment, offering a visual feast for skywatchers and a profound lesson in the intricate mechanics of our solar system. This rare occurrence isn't merely a pretty sight. It's a window into the dynamic dance of planets across the vast cosmic canvas. The alignment showcases the contrasting orbital speeds and distances of these celestial bodies. Mars, the fiery red neighbor, races along its path much faster than the majestic gas giant Saturn, adorned with its iconic rings. Meanwhile, Mercury zips closest to the Sun, adding another layer of intrigue to this planetary tableau. Observing this alignment serves as a real-time cosmic tutorial. It unveils the ecliptic plane, the imaginary highway most planets orbit along relative to Earth. For astronomy enthusiasts, it's a chance to witness the abstract concepts from textbooks come alive in the night sky. Seasoned observers find it a reaffirming display of the ever-changing celestial landscape. This celestial rendezvous also presents a golden opportunity for astrophotographers and visual observers to capture stunning images that illustrate the scale and beauty of our solar system. The close proximity of these planets creates a breathtaking composition, forever etching this cosmic encounter in our memories. Furthermore, these alignments hold practical significance. By understanding how planetary positions influence each other's visibility from Earth, especially in May, we gain valuable insights for optimizing observation strategies. This knowledge empowers both amateur and professional astronomers to delve deeper into the predictive aspects of their celestial pursuits, enhancing our ability to forecast future astronomical events. In essence, the May lineup of Mars, Saturn, and Mercury transcends a mere visual spectacle. It transforms the morning sky into a dynamic classroom, teaching us about the complex gravitational ballet that governs our solar system. As these planets align, they illuminate the interplay between gravitational forces and orbital mechanics, further enriching our understanding of astronomical concepts like conjunctions and oppositions. As May reaches its midpoint, around mid-May, the celestial stage prepares for two captivating performances: the occultation of the star Antares and the peak of the Eta Aquariid meteor shower. These events, occurring around the middle of the month, offer unique opportunities to delve into the interconnectedness of celestial phenomena and gain insights into the history and composition of our solar system. The occultation of Antares presents a rare and spectacular sight. As the moon gracefully glides across the night sky, it temporarily engulfs the brilliant star Antares, the heart of the Scorpius constellation. This celestial event isn't just visually stunning. It provides valuable data for astronomers studying the moon's intricate orbital path and the precise dimensions of distant stars. By meticulously observing the timing and duration of this occultation, which typically occurs around mid-May, scientists can refine their understanding of lunar motion and stellar diameters, pushing the boundaries of our astronomical knowledge. Following the occultation, the Eta Aquariid meteor shower paints the night sky with streaks of light. This celestial phenomenon occurs when Earth passes through the debris field left behind by the legendary comet Halley. As these tiny particles slam into our atmosphere, they burn up, creating the mesmerizing spectacle of a meteor shower. Witnessing the Eta Aquariids, which peak around May 5th and 6th, not only offers a breathtaking visual experience, but also connects us to one of the most famous comets in human history. Studying the composition and distribution of this cometary debris provides valuable insights into the nature and potential hazards posed by these celestial wanderers. Both the occultation of Antares and the Aquariid meteor shower highlight the interconnectedness of celestial phenomena. They demonstrate how movements within our solar system, from the Moon's orbit to the remnants of ancient comets, can lead to spectacular displays in our night sky. These events not only enhance our understanding of the mechanics of the cosmos, but also provide essential data for ongoing research in astronomy, propelling our scientific endeavors forward. Observing these celestial events requires more than just stepping outside on a clear night. To truly maximize the experience, specific strategies and tools are recommended. For optimal viewing of the planetary alignments, a clear eastern horizon and a set of binoculars or a small telescope can enhance the visibility of the planet's features, like Saturn's rings or Mars's ice caps. Timing is crucial. These planets are best observed in the early morning hours just before dawn breaks. For the Aquariid meteor shower, the situation is slightly different. Since this shower's radiant point is in Aquarius, which rises in the late hours of the night, the best time to observe is in the few hours before dawn. This timing maximizes the dark sky necessary to see the fainter meteors. Additionally, finding a dark spot away from city lights and giving your eyes time to adjust to the darkness can significantly improve the number of meteors you'll see. Tools like NASA's Night Sky Network and mobile apps that map the night sky can help plan your observation times and provide alerts for celestial events. These resources are invaluable for both beginners and experienced skywatchers, ensuring that everyone can find the best times and places to enjoy the show. By combining the right tools, timing, and techniques, each observer can turn a simple night of looking up into a profound experience that connects them more deeply with the universe. To further enhance your viewing experience, it's important to use additional tools like star charts, planetarium apps, and websites that provide real-time celestial tracking. These can help identify exactly where in the sky to look for specific planets or meteor showers. As we wrap up this exploration of the astronomical highlights in May 2024, we hope you feel more connected to the universe around us. This journey through the night sky not only quenches our curiosity, but also deepens our understanding of the cosmic mechanisms at play. Continue to gaze upward and embrace the wonders of the cosmos. Stay curious and vigilant, as each night sky offers new narratives and spectacles that underscore our shared journey through this vast, incredible universe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future space adventures.